Welcome to today's video. In our previous session, we installed Iceberg and set up a basic catalog configuration. Today, we're going to install Jupyter Notebook and create our first interactive Iceberg example. Jupyter Notebooks are perfect for data exploration and learning because they let us combine code, visualizations, and explanations in a single document. Let's start by installing Jupyter Notebook. I'm assuming you're still in your Iceberg virtual environment from our previous session. If not, make sure to activate it using source iceberg bin activate before continuing. Now, let's install Jupyter Notebook with pip. For this, we can write as pip install notebook. You can see pip downloading and installing Jupyter Notebook and its dependencies. This might take a little longer than our Iceberg installation, since Jupyter has more components. Great! Now we can start Jupyter Notebook using this command. Jupyter Notebook. This command starts the Jupyter Notebook server and should automatically open a browser window with the Jupyter interface. Now we see the Jupyter file browser showing the contents of our current directory. Let's create a new notebook by right-clicking on the notebook and selecting New Notebook from the drop-down menu. A new notebook will open with an empty cell. Now we're ready to start writing code in our notebook. Let's first recreate the environment setup we did in the previous session. In the first cell, type. First, we will import OS and set up an environment variable path for Iceberg Home as current directory. Press Shift plus Enter to execute this cell. Next, import load catalog from Iceberg catalog package. After this, we can use the local catalog and create an object using load catalog method as catalog equal to load catalog. And name is local in parameter. Press Shift plus Enter to execute this cell. If there are no errors, it means our Iceberg installation is working correctly. At last, we can print all the catalog properties which we already has in the catalog log as catalog.properties. Press Shift plus Enter to execute this cell. That's all we have in this video. I hope you have learned something new today. Let's see in the next video.